Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is January 26, 2026. And we're getting ready for an upgrade on mainnet on Thursday. So that's going to be what we'll be focusing on this week. And also, if you guys are going to the Digital Assets Summit in London, I will be out there, so reach out if you are. Also, we're starting to get ready for Denver. So yeah, if you guys are going, reach out as well. We'd love to get together if you guys are out there. And with that, let's get started on what else we're up to this week. I don't know, Spidey.
The main thing I have to talk about, I guess, was at the end of last week on Friday. We had a reporter on the Tellor legacy mainnet where the rewards are now, but we're going to switch the rewards from that to layer later. We have the existing reporter community. There was actually a new reporter who found out about Tellor and staked on legacy Tellor and started reporting, and they were getting front ran. So they tried to change some things and they ended up accidentally reporting ETHUSD prices as Litecoin prices, which is not right. So we have to dispute those. And governance is already resolved and everything. I also have a whole bunch of ops stuff. I got to reset storage on a server. I got to fix the doc, like the layer docs. I know have a couple of things. There's like a couple of gotchas that I accidentally have in there that I need to fix, and I have posted.
And yeah, so if you guys are testing, whether it's on Legacy Tellor or on Layer, there are testnets on both. I don't know that, yeah, on both. So try to use that before you actually start doing things on mainnet, if possible. Dan.
I'm working on a formal write-up for our tokenomics.
Because we didn't do it during the call, but Dan did a very nice presentation last week on all of his findings on profitability and making sure, we have to be profitable for people to join the network and keep it secure. So we are looking into all of that kind of information and analytics. And Dan ran a lot of analytics on that last week, and now he's just doing a write-up on it. Eventually you guys will see it. Caleb.
Working on adding stuff to the indexer for a while, as I've said in here a couple times. That's all looking good now on Palmetto and the block explorers, using that now. Going to ask Ryan to do some code review type stuff with the new front end, just play around with it to make sure it works. And I've been testing this new indexer stuff on Palmetto, and now that all that's ironed out, I'm going to kick off the mainnet indexer so that gets all updated. And then on top of that, it's a lot of ops stuff. I have to reset my storage, and then I have a list of improvements that I've been waiting to do to the monitors that I want to work on today as well.
Ryan?
Yeah, I'm just doing some finishing touches on this video I've been working on. That'll be out today or tomorrow. And then, yeah, I'm going to work with the block explorer now that the indexer's in there. There were some other things that were building up while Caleb was working on it that I want to take care of too.
See you guys next week.